Tchotchke is a noun that refers to a small decorative item or trinket, often inexpensive, and sometimes considered ornamental rather than functional. Tchotchkes can range from souvenirs to knickknacks, figurines and other small items displayed for aesthetic value or sentimentality. They're commonly found on shelves, desks or mantles, and often reflect personal taste, interests or memories. Origins of Tchotchke. Tchotchke comes from Yiddish Tchotchke, meaning little trinket, and has roots in Slavic languages, particularly the Polish Tchotchke, meaning toy or trinket. It was adopted into American English in the mid-20th century, primarily in regions with large Jewish communities, and has become a popular term for small decorative objects. How to use Tchotchke. Tchotchke is used to describe decorative objects that may not have a specific use, but hold aesthetic or sentimental value. They are often gifted as souvenirs or collectibles and might include anything from figurines to keychains or holiday decorations. Tchotchkes can be found in various settings, from home decor to office desks, and they often have a light-hearted, whimsical connotation. Example sentences. Her living room was filled with tchotchkes from her travels, each piece telling a story of a different place. I bought a small tchotchke at the gift shop to remember my trip. Similar words. Knick-knack, a small, often decorative object. Bauble, a showy, but usually inexpensive ornament. Trinket, a small item of little value, often used as decoration. In essence, Tchotchke conveys a sense of charm and personal meaning associated with small, decorative items. It highlights the human tendency to collect things that bring joy, spark memories, or simply add personality to a space. Subscribe.